What's up guys, it's Keelan and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over a little bit of DIY. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a close-up pad. Now, growing up I didn't have a lot of money and a lot of close-up pads back in the day were up there in price. I think like $99 to like $300. So I actually ended up going to stores like Walmart and dollar stores and actually learning how to make my own. Now you can go online and get your own for about $7. I think Penguin or Murphy's Magic has it for cheap, but I'm going to show you the way I used to make my own. So let's get right into it. So I'm back by the Auto Care Center in Walmart, kind of in the hardware section, right by all the tools, and you will find this stuff called shop liner. Now I usually grab this style. It's kind of like a beaded looking style. And this is how I would make the close-up pads. So I would cut this to dimensions that I would like, and that's how I'd make up the pads. You can find this at dollar stores as well. Here it is only $6, but I'm also intrigued. I've never tried this before, but there's this other liner, but it's more flatter, has a little bit more grip to it. I would love to try this one. So you cut it to the dimension that you like, and then that's how you make your pad. And it's cool because it's very, very flimsy, so you can roll it up, put it into your backpack. Besides this area in hardware, I'm going to show you the other place too. So if you go into the housing area, so house supplies, you have this easyliner stuff. Now, again, you try and want to find something like this. This is not good. This is really slidey, so don't look for a smooth top. Do like select grip. So I mean, for $6, you take this, you cut it up, and you can use it multiple times. So I mean, like technically, you can cut it up, and you're probably only using like maybe $1 worth. So, and then you have enough to, if you need to, say if somebody spills something on it, or anything like that, you can just cut a new piece. And this is what you make DIY close-up pads with. So that is how you make close-up pads for cheap, and you can get them at Walmart, dollar stores. I have Meyer here in the Midwest, but wherever you're at, you can get it super cheap. It's only like $5. So if you're ever doing like a show and you need something last minute and you don't have a close-up pad with you, or you just left it at home, you know, it's something that you can do pretty quick, super easy, and takes seconds to make. And it works. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like, comment below if you're gonna make one, and I'll see you next time. Take care.